Hello guys, welcome to 3M. I'm here to say about pointers and arrays concepts in C. In order to know about this, kindly follow my previous videos on arrays and pointers individually. We know that array is collection of similar elements with continuous memory location, and next pointer is a variable which store the address of another variable. Now let me say you the basics of array addresses and pointers combinedly. Now, consider an integer array of length 4 which contains 7, 8, 6, 5 values in it. The index be like 0, 1, 2, 3, that is the positions. Name of the elements be like a of 0, a of 1, a of 2 and a of 3. Let us assume addresses are 100, 102, 104, 106 as the integers occupy 2 bytes of memory each. The core point we need to know is the first element address can be represented as ampersand a of 0. The same can be represented as a. Here in this example 100 is the address and a of 0 represents the first element name in the array. With the help of pointer it can also be written as asterisk a. It represents 7 as in the given example. Now, ampersand a of 1 is the address of the second element with respect to pointer a plus 1. It refers to the address of the second element, that is 102. So as a of 1 is the element with respect to asterisk of a plus 1 is also the second element, that is 8 as in the given example. Now if we want the address of the ith element, we give ampersand of a of I or a plus I for the address. Similarly, if we need value, we write a of I or asterisk of a plus I for the value. A sample program to demonstrate the array and pointers to access 3 array elements with respect to pointers. Right, here we go. First main int a of 3. Next printf enters to enter 3 integers. For loop begins for accessing 3 elements. It accepts first a plus I, that is a plus 0, which is the address of first element in an array using scanf. As we give 7 and next I is equal to 1, a plus 1, that is it accepts 8. Next I is equal to 2, a plus 2, it accepts 3. Next I is equal to 3, it comes out of the loop and prints display the integers again. We use for loop. It starts with int I is equal to 0 as asterisk of a plus 0 is a pointer of a plus 0 location. It prints the 7 as 7 is in a plus 0 location. Next I is equal to 1, that is asterisk of a plus I, it prints 8. Next I is equal to 2, that is asterisk of a plus 2 as it prints 3. Next I is equal to 3, it comes out of the loop and we can see 7, 8, 3 printed with array and pointers. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, do subscribe to our channel 3MM 3 Minutes Master. If you like, hit the like button and bell icon there and do share with your friends. Don't forget to drop a comment.